Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Right, at the moment I am terminating the earth to the chassis of the van. So I'm just sort of preparing myself now to get the electrical board from the house and put it in the van. So I'm just trying to plan out with the earth into the chassis, then where to drill a hole in the bottom of the van to run it to the starter battery. So that is the plan for today. Right, so oh no, wrong way. Right, so I just drilled a 10mm hole and I've just rubbed it down with the wire brush drill attachment. Got the earthing cable, which is a 35mm flex, and I'm going to put that onto there and bolt it on. It's a nice tight connection. Right, so that's the connection to the chassis. Right, so I'm thinking about where the wheel arch is there and where the end of the bed is. I was going to drill a pilot hole down there. I've had a look outside. There's nothing in that area of effect, so I'm going to go through with a pilot bit first, see where that comes underneath. Then I can go through with a bigger hole saw. Then I can run the cable to the starter battery in 20mm flex conduit. I've managed to drill through hole just there. There's plenty of space away from everything underneath. So what I'm going to go do now, drill through with a 25mm hole saw. Just go straight through. Then I'm going to bring up the 20mm flexible conduit and just Sikaflex around the edge of it. But once I've drilled the hole down, I'll Hammerite the metalwork from underneath as well, just to protect it from rust. Voila, we have a hole. Right, I have no brush to do any hammeriting with because I had to throw the other one away the other day because I forgot to wash it up. But I'm going to improvise. I've got one of these with a bit of tape around it just to squash it up. It's one of those magic erasers that gets black marker pen off. Pretty good, but I'm going to use it now to do a bit of hammeriting. Okay, right, I've just brought out the control panel and slipped it in. I'm just going to the framework, so then I can, once it's all fixed, I can run it to the, or run the cable to the starter battery underneath the van. Don't know if I'm going to be able to do that today because of weather is going to be turning, but yeah, so far so good. So now the board is fixed to the frame. I'm just drilled a hole. Where are you? There. This is the grounding that's on the chassis. So I'm going to terminate this onto the bus bar. So that's now grounded, and it's Just goes in from behind there and down and into the chassis. So that's that stage done. Not sure what I'm going to do next. Okay, so what I'm doing now, just doing the hookup outside the van with tape. So I'm just going to mark it. I'm going to drill through, then cut with a jigsaw, and this is put in one of these. So what I've done, I've just taken the cover off the back to expose the terminals. So I'm going to pre-wire that now. Then I can, once I've cut the hole on the side of the van, I can feed the cable through as well as this as a joint unit. That's the hookup pre-wired. So you've got your neutral in there, you've got your live positive in there, and you've got your earth in there and clamped into place. Right, it's time to drill a hole in the side of the van. Let's go and get the jigsaw. Bit of a strange looking hole, but it does fit. It'd be hidden. Just giving it a bit of a Hammerite painting, let that dry, then I'll slide the hookup point in. Just going to go and get some Sikaflex and some self-tapping screws. Right, Sikaflex that in. As you can see, I've got to clean that up. I'm just going to self-tap it now, just so it pinches all the way back. Right, so that's in there. It's just starting to rain again now, typical. It's in there. So that dodgy looking hole that I cut is well hidden. Got a bit of mastic down there, but I'll have to rub that off when it's dry. But yeah, all good. Now I've just got to wire it up into the inside. But I doubt very much I'll be doing that today because it's just starting to rain. Right, okay guys, well, I'm going to leave that video as it is. I hope you like. Please like and subscribe. I'm getting wet. And I'll see you on the next. Take care now. Cheers.